I have a Samsung Galaxy S21 here. I'm going to show you how to use the split screen feature. Basically, it's a multitasking feature where you can have two windows. You can do two things. Okay, you can have like one window checking email, responding to email. The other side could be you're watching a Netflix video or YouTube video. You can comment and whatnot. So very simple here. All right. So how do we use or get the split screen started? First thing you got to do is go ahead and open up one of the apps that you definitely want on the split screen. So for example, let's say I have the Chrome browser here. I definitely want the browser on one of the split screen windows. So just go ahead and open up the browser just like this, and now go ahead and you can just close it, or from there you can just tap on the recents menu here. So tap on the recents menu. Now we have the you can see all the background running apps I have right now, and I just opened the Google Chrome, so it's open. So, and I want this as one of my split screen windows. So now if I go up here to the very top and I just press and hold, you get this little pop-up menu. Okay, you can open split screen view. Okay, just like all the other apps I have open, I can press and hold and open in split screen view. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this right here, the Chrome browser, press and hold, open it split screen view. Now that first one I chose is gonna be on the top window. Okay, now I gotta choose something else, and I can choose anything on here, or I can go ahead and tap down here and I can look for another app. So let's just say, for instance, let me just open up YouTube. We'll watch a video and also have the Chrome browser. So let me go ahead and tap on YouTube right there. And now you can see, and you can turn it in landscape mode as well. So I have that browser right here, and I have a video.
Password, and you want to do a factory reset. Basically, you want to go ahead and erase everything off the phone as if you bought it brand new.
And you can also you can see where this blue line is. Basically, that's the middle to cut in half. But you can go ahead and move that up or down. So let's go ahead and slide this up, make the video a little bit larger. Now we can turn it over as well. And you can do the same thing.
I took it out of the box
here.
So the first thing we got to do is turn off the phone. You try to turn off the phone.
And even turn it like this. You can go ahead and comment on the video as you're watching it and whatnot.
It's asking you for a password.
Now, if you want to go back to just one of the windows, like for instance, if you just wanted the YouTube video on without the split screen, you can just go ahead and slide this middle line, this blue line all the way up. Or if you wanted only the Chrome browser, you can just slide all the way down. So for instance, if I slide all the way down, now I'm just on the browser here, the Chrome browser. So pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below. Good luck.